Egyptians are very sarcastic by nature, and they say this word or this phrase all the time. Ya salam. What does it mean? We will learn this in this episode, but before I start, don't forget to enroll 100% free in my Egyptian Arabic 101 course. You will find the link in the description box and also in the first comment, and let's start right now. Ya salam is a very important phrase, and don't mix it with salamu alaikum. Actually, salam is the same here, which is peace, but ya salam, it has a different meaning compared to salamu alaikum, and in this episode we will learn what is exactly the meaning of ya salam. Okay, salam as a beginning is peace. Okay, salam, peace. Okay, so when I say ya salam, it means literally I am calling the peace. Okay, so I'm saying, oh, peace. Okay, ya salam. But actually, as a matter of fact, the meaning of ya salam is completely different than this. The meaning is, usually when I say ya salam, I tend to make salam longer. Okay, so I say ya salam or ya salam. Okay, so this mostly like this. Okay, when I say ya salam, it means actually, oh really? Oh really? So this is the meaning, actual meaning of ya salam. So if you are in a conversation with somebody and you talk with him and he's saying something that is strange or something that is maybe amazing to hear, so you just say ya salam. Ya salam. So ya salam here, it means, oh really? Okay, so this is the actual meaning of the phrase ya salam. It has nothing to do with ya, which is oh, and salam, which is peace, but ya salam as a combined expression, it has the meaning of oh really? Really? Actually, when Egyptians or what are the times or when Egyptians do say ya salam? Okay, we say ya salam if we hear something that is strange to our ears, or something that is very inspiring, or something that's very motivational, something that makes us really in a phase or in a state of being overwhelmed or something like this. So I'm saying to you something that I'm going to travel here and here and here and here, and I'm going to do this and this and this and this, and say ya salam, you will do all this. Okay, so here it means oh really? Oh really? Either I am not believing you, or I am very motivated by what you are saying. So this is actually the meaning or the exact meaning of ya salam, and this is when we say it with our native Egyptians or family, friends, acquaintance, and so on. Sometimes also we add alaik or alaik on you. Okay, ya salam alaik, ya salam alaik. So it means I am impressed by what you are doing. Ya salam alaik. Okay, ya salam alaik or ya salam alaiki or ya salam alaiku. This is different from salamu alaikum or salamu alaikum. Okay, ya salam alaik. Okay, not salam alaikum, ya salam alaik. This is completely different. Okay, so it gives or conveys the meaning of impression, or being impressed, or being overwhelmed, or being touched by what you are doing or what you are saying. So after this important episode, I hope that you know exactly what is the meaning of ya salam and you can use it in a sentence. Also, if you are watching a movie or watching a scene from a series, you can find ya salam a lot. It's very common, and if you find it and spot it in any movie or series that you are watching, just drop me a comment and tell me. Or if you are hearing it from a family member or a friend, just tell me in the comments, and tell me also the reaction when you say it to people. Thanks a lot for watching this episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Linguamid, and also don't forget to look at the description box and check for the enrollment of my free course, Egyptian Arabic 101. And you can also find the enrollment link in the first comment. And if you have any question, just drop me a comment below. Have a great day and see you in a future episode.